Oops, I did it again. I cut my own hair. Oh, baby, honey, oops, I see the black roots. I blame it on COVID. I changed my hair color again. Alright guys, so you have to watch to the end to see exactly what I'm talking about. And also I added pictures in between because yes, we are going to reminisce over my trial and error during the COVID. And even though it's 2021, honey, I'm still changing my hair color. Okay. But before we do, let's get right into this. Alright, so you already know what time it is. I am getting ready to taper, cut my hair because my hair is trying to grow back into a fro and I don't want it. So I want this look that you see on the right hand screen. As you saw, my hair was not looking like that. My fro was filling out completely. But as you can see, as the reason why my color is starting to look different on the left side is because as I was already cutting away the blonde, you're going to see my roots is a whole lot darker, which is the strawberry blonde that I had prior to the blonde that you see on the right hand side. So yeah, girl, I have multiple colors in my hair. So you may be asking the reason why I am cutting my hair. I'm cutting it for one because I do not want my hair to grow out long. If that was the case, I would have just kept my original hair from last year, which I grew my hair out 3 years, and then all of a sudden I decided to cut it in July. But I don't want my hair to be long. To me, I feel like long hair does not do anything for me, especially when I'm wearing it in its natural state. It just doesn't do anything for me. And I am going to show you a clip of what my hair looked like before I started chopping away at it. But, you know, I'm just getting around those edges, girl. You just got to get along around the hairline and start cutting. As you can see where it is blonde at, you can see my roots is already getting black again. And literally, I had just dyed my hair blonde about a month ago, and it's already growing out. You can see my black roots, which I do not like. I don't like it. So that was a old memory lane prior, like 3 months prior to me dyeing my hair blonde. I had it that color. But yeah, girl, I just can't do it. And then what's really making me not like the blonde color is because of my hair. It grows fast, for number one. I don't like the two mixtures. It just doesn't look right to me that your roots are black and then the rest of your hair is blonde. It just throws off that color that I was going for. I don't like it on me personally. And two, bleach really does damage your hair. I should have listened to the other YouTubers. You know, there are too many YouTubers out there that had blonde hair and they just started all over. And I didn't want to be like them because I do plan on growing out the top portion of my hair just a little bit. But I didn't want that part to be damaged and then the rest of my hair to be, you know, looking good. But to me, overall, bleaching just damages your hair. My hair literally felt like carpet as I was picking the hair up off the floor. Like, that's how rough it felt. As you can see, as I'm combing it, it was kind of tough at the end. That's damaged. That's going to be damaged hair. So imagine me trying to color my hair blonde again within another month or two. Like, that's too harsh of chemicals on your hair. So natural hair girls should not be bleaching your hair. Although there are other ways that you can bleach your hair. I've seen it on YouTube where you can use baking soda. I was going to use that, but then I noticed that my hair would have turned white instead of blonde. So I wasn't ready for white hair. Even though I'm 40, I'm not ready to see white hair. All right, so you see my curls popping in the back, girl, and all I got is water on my hair. See, now it's getting two-toned. So as I cut more and more, the blonde is going to leave, and then it's going to start to show that. See, look at my roots. Child, I ain't fixing to do that. My strawberry blonde is starting to come through. But believe it or not, I let this cut sit in my head for about 2 weeks, and then I decided to do something else. So this is my hair. This is the honey blonde. I mean strawberry blonde right here. You see the roots was already getting dark. And then I was like, I need to change it again. Then that's when I went to this blonde hair. Like, I'm not going to keep doing that to my hair. It's just too much. You know what I'm saying? It's just way too much. Also, I can't remember if I mentioned this, but I did chop off the right side of my hair prior to getting onto the camera, because I wanted to make sure I was doing this right, and I didn't want to bomb it while filming. So that's the only reason why you do not see me cutting the right side of my hair, because I was trying to show you that the right side was already done. The left side was just a little mini fro, but you couldn't really see much of a difference anyway. But yeah, you kind of saw it on the other side when you saw it. But anywho, yeah. Let me just be quiet. Oh, no, wait. I got a picture coming up. So this is what my hair looked like back in last year. It was, when did I cut it again? It was July. So this is how long my hair was. Like, I literally grew my hair out 3 years, and all of a sudden I chopped it on the sides because I want to do my hair before my birthday, which is in August. So you see, I gave myself a little mini mohawk. I had all that hair at the top, and I wish I would have kept it now. I do regret not keeping the top portion of my hair. I'm telling you, girl, it's that COVID, just sitting in the house working from home, it just really did something to me. And look at all that hair I had. I had thick hair. And as you can see, my hair is not naturally black at all. That's really hair dye from me coloring my hair, and then it gets sandy black. But I'm still chopping away on this side here. So I'm closer to the top, as you can see, because right now I'm trying to blend it in so where it's short and then leads up to the top portion. So it's going to look somewhat like my mohawk that I had. Again, I wish I would have kept and already had this vision of my hairstyle prior to just cutting all my hair off. But I can tell you that it does feel good to not have to prep my hair up at night, you know, twist it up every night, untwist it in the morning. Like, it just feels so good to just get up and go, or just use my sponge. So I chopped everything off on both sides. You can see everything. All I have to do now is just get my gel and go ahead and use that sponge. But as you can see, I have multiple colors in my head, and it just, you know, it just brought about a change that I need to do like ASAP. So it's a good thing that I really don't go anywhere. Ooh, look at all them colors. Look at all them colors. So I'm just snipping like the bottom pieces, making sure those are a little shorter. And then I'm just, you know, reviewing the back to make sure everything looks good. And yes, I'm just... Child, did you see me shake my head as if I had long hair back there? Yeah, the dream is real, right? Okay, all right. So we're getting to the big reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but you know, your girl had to do her thing.